Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve AB is 1000, BC is 2000, CA is 3000 and we have to find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm considering this as equation number 1, this as 2 and this as 3. So in equation number 1, I'm going to multiply with C both sides and here with A both sides and here with B both sides. So it becomes ABC equal 1000C, ABC equal 2000A and ABC equal 3000B. Now everything is equals to ABC, that means all three are also equal to each other. So we can write it as 1000 C is equals to 2000 A is equals to 3000 B. Now I'm taking LCM of these three and we get 6000. So I'm going to divide with 6000. So it becomes 1 by 6C is equals to 1 by 3A is equals to 1 by 2B. I'm taking this with a equals to a constant K. Now 1 by 1, if 1 by 6, C is equals to K. So C is equals to 6K. Similarly, A is equals to 3K. And B is equals to 2K. Now from equation number 1, we know that AB is equals to 1000. The value of A is 3K times B is 2K is equals to 1000. That is 6K square is equals to 1000 and K square is equals to 1000 by 6, which is equals to 500 by 3. So we have to find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. So A is 3K, 3K square plus 2K square plus 6K square. 3K square is 9K square plus 4K square plus 36K square. So 9 plus 4 plus 36 is 49K square. So 49 times the value of K square is 500 by 3. Nine times 5 is 45. Carry over 4, 24 by. So 24,500 by 3. The value of A square plus B square plus C square is 24500 by 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.